National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WXJ 47, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Coshocton, Gallia, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Licking, Meigs, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Perry, Tuscarora, and Washington. And finally, for these counties in northern West Virginia: Pleasant, Ritchie, Tyler, Word, and Wood. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. Now here is the synopsis. Widespread showers and